Hey Armand, it's Lee Terabianic, and in this video I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring in more customers. First thing I want to go over is content. It all has to be unique content. It can't be copied from anywhere. Google will flag your site for plagiarism. You guys need at least 1,500 to be optimized with Google. You guys have about 200 on your homepage that I just scrolled down. Just check it out. You see everything that's highlighted is considered content, and I'm not really seeing 1,500 words, so that's going to hurt you in that aspect, especially when trying to fit in the keywords that we're trying to rank for. So I did a quick search for sewer repair Los Angeles rather than plumber, and I scroll down and I see that Sewer Pros is up above you. New Flow, you're down here, Sewer Pros. So let's go take a look at their website, see what kind of content they have. They don't really have much content on their site either. So if we were to go out and get 1,500 words added to that homepage of yours, easily start beating them in that aspect. So let's go back to Google. So we're at Sewer Repair Los Angeles. Now, as you know, ads are up here at the top, which is pay per click. Can get costly if it's not done effectively, but we're not really worried about that. We want to be ranking in this GMB section and in this organic section. Now, GMB is totally different than your organic. This is your actual website, and this is a Google My Business page that you build out. I'm sure you know that, but just in case you didn't, that's the difference. And to rank in this GMB section, a citation is what gets you to rank there, along with some good reviews and pictures added, maybe one or two new pictures each week just to stay active with it. Google likes to see that. But a citation is the main route that gets you ranking in this. So as you can see, we got GR Plumbing and Rooter up top here. Now when I click View All, and this is just for this keyword, you are down here, probably like 8th, 9th, or 10th, New Flow Plumbing. So we need to get you up in that top 3, like big time, because that's where a lot of calls come from, and that's where a lot of clicks come from for customers that want your service. I know I go here a lot, and I'm sure you do too. But so I just did a quick search to see, how many citations these guys had. And I know Sewer Pros is up there in a lot of them, and GR Plumbing. But here's you have 39 citations. Sewer Pros, they had 39. But GR Plumbing and Rooter, who was in first place for that keyword, they got 69 citations. So what we've got to go do is go into their citations and see which strong DA, which is their domain authority, that's what transfers the power. We got to get all these stronger ones and apply them to yours. And the great part about this site is it tells me if they're submittable for your business or not. Now, some of them can cost money, some of them may not, but it's a lot of work going out and getting each one of these and contacting them, applying your information, and hopefully they accept you. But if they're submittable and if they can get them, so can I. So let's go back to that. So as you can see, you're down 30. They had 69 and you're down 30. I want to go and add 100, 200, 300 to your GMB, because that also gets your name, address, and phone number out there in more directories for people to, when they're looking for your service, they can find your information. So that has to deal with that. Now, as we go down here into this organic section, like I said, Sewer Pros is up top, and you guys are down here. We want to get right up here in this top spot. That's where we want to be. But I put Sewer Pros in to see their stats on that page, and they got a 25 and 12. Which this is your UR and DR. Now, if they had a 25-25, that would be very strong website and a little bit tougher to beat, but they're not there. They're not even close to that. They have a 25 and 12. This is their overall ranking, which is 0 being the worst and 100 being the best. And this is their backlink profile ranking. This has to deal with how strong their backlinks are. Now, a backlink is what ranks you in that organic section. And a backlink is any other website that links back to your website. It's basically a vote in Google's eyes, stating that that website vouches for your business. If they want to send traffic from their website to you, then that must mean you're pretty reputable, and that's trust flow in Google's eyes. So we want to go out and get very strong, very high, powerful backlinks to your website. And we know that he has 38 referring domains, which is websites, giving him 108 backlinks, and he's ranking for 154 keywords on this page, bringing him 500 traffic. So let's go over to yours, which is the New Flow Plumbing. And this page that's on 5th or 6th on the organic section is a 9 and 14. So as you can see, you don't really have much strength, and the backlink profile isn't very strong, being that you only have one referring domain and one backlink. So what we would go do is go into his backlinks and go to his referring domains and see which ones he actually has. Now, when you go to link type, you want these do follow links. These are ones that transfer the most power to you. So we would want to go in, find all these people, go message them, or some of them you have to pay for as well because they're not created equal. See what kind of backlinks they are and go out and grab them for your business. Like I said before, if it's working for him, we know it'll work for you. And then we go out and go a step ahead and go get some more and go up above him. So that was that. Now let's go back. I wanted to touch base on the keywords. Like, there's a lot of good keywords for Los Angeles and for the stuff that you wanted me to look up, such as sewer line repair, trenchless sewer repair company. Let's just go down and see 3,700 volume with a 14 KD. This is a monthly search. That's how many times this keyword's being searched. And the KD is how difficult it is to rank for it. So as we go down, we can see that these are the main keywords that are bringing them the most traffic. 71, 56, 41, 25, 20. So sewer line repair, sewer, trenchless sewer repair, sewer pipe repair sleeve, residential sewer line repair. But I went ahead and looked at a lot of your top competitors and came up with a full list of keywords that I wanted to apply throughout your 1,500 words for your homepage. These are them. Sewer inspection, Los Angeles, 30 and 3. Trenchless sewer repair, Los Angeles, 40 searches a month with a 4 KD. Trenchless sewer repair near me, 250 and 1. Trenchless sewer repair near me. Trenchless sewer line repair near me. Trenchless sewer repair near me, 706. Sewer repair, 4,021. Trenchless sewer repair company. Sewer repair Los Angeles, 40 and 0. So right there, that tells me not a lot of businesses are trying to rank for this keyword. So we could go out, see when we type that in, see who the top competitor is, see what his backlinks are, and we'll beat him out by adding what he did plus more, bringing those 40 searches to you. So sewer repair Los Angeles, let's say 40 people type that in and you capture 20 of those clicks to your website and say you close 10 of them. So that's 10 jobs that you closed for sewer repair Los Angeles. Now I don't know how much a job is. You said anywhere from 5 to 15,000, but that's just 10 off of that one keyword that I know we can rank for because it's 0 KD. But sewer cleaning plumber, sewer and drain cleaning plumber, you get the gist. Now what I would do, this is just for your homepage, I also would go into your services that you're listing and do these keywords for each of these. I would type in hydrojetting Los Angeles, see who comes up first, go out and find the best keywords for this and we would apply them to this page. Pipe bursting Los Angeles and the cities as well, see which cities are popping up. Sewer pipe lining, sewer line repair and replacement, sewer camera inspection. So I started going through with some of the cities that you target to see what was there, and here's some good ones I found per your city. But like I said, there's a lot more work to be done, and I would love to get started to find all these keywords for you and start pumping power to your website. Like I said, I have a game plan here basically of everything that we need to do from your competition and what we would need to do to beat them out. Showing all their backlinks and what we would need to get to beat them, and then an ROI based on of all of the keywords that we found, their search volumes and capturing percentages. And I'd love to go over this with you on phone or on Zoom call. So when you watch this, if you feel free to give me a call, and I have some questions for you as well that I would like to talk about. So yeah, once you get a minute, give me a call whenever you're free, and I look forward to speaking with you, Armin. I hope you enjoyed this new video, and I look forward to talking with you soon. Thanks. Bye.